Hi guys, my name is Katya and I'm from Russia. In this video, I'd like to teach you Russian alphabet. So if you're learning Russian, I highly recommend you to watch this video. Today we're talking about Russian alphabet. There are 33 letters in Russian alphabet. Some of them are similar to Latin letters, some of them are not. But don't worry, I'm sure you can handle it. So let's start from the beginning. First letter is A, then B, V, V, G, D, Y, like in let, yeah. Yo, Z, Z, like Z, the Z. I, then Y, it's called Y кратко, Y, like yogurt. K, L, M, N. O, like in English language, O, P, R, R, S, T, U, like book, F, H. It sounds close to H, but slightly different, you know, like house, but it's a little bit stronger, like H, ch, like chair, ts, sh, sh. And the next one is quite close to it, but slightly different. It's more softer. It's softer, I guess. Sh, sh. Can you hear a slight difference? Sh. Then, твердый знак. It makes a letter that comes before stronger, like k, more stronger. Твердый знак. Мягкий знак. It makes sound that comes before softer. Like in well, you, like English word you. And the last one, ya. And by the way, so far you already know one Russian word, because ya, it's not just a letter, but it also means myself. So now you know how to say myself in Russian. Yeah. So, this is it. This is Russian alphabet. And the good thing about it, when you know Russian alphabet, you can easily start reading. Because in Russian, we don't have these combinations of letters that make different sounds. No, just we read as it is. K as K, O as O, and so on. For example, in Russian, mama, ma. Dad, in Russian, pa. Yes, in Russian, да. No, in Russian, нет. Now you know Russian alphabet and even some Russian words. I wish you good luck and thank you for watching this video. Hope it was useful for you. If so, please let me know what else you want to know in the comments below.